Welcome guys back to my channel. Let's crochet in this video tutorial tiny flowers, really easy and beginner friendly. For this tutorial I'm going to use 2.25 millimeters crochet hook and DK yarn. The lighter yarn you're using, the smaller flower you will get. So let's get started. Make a slip knot and chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now join with slip stitch to first chain 1 and make 12 single crochet into the center of the ring that we have just formed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now join with slip stitch to first single crochet. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet into the same stitch as join. Now chain 1 and make 3 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and 1 single crochet in next stitch. So we have done the first petal. Now let's repeat from chain 1, 3 double crochet in next stitch, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in next stitch. The second petal is ready. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in next stitch, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in next stitch. The third petal is ready. And let's repeat again. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in next stitch, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, 3 double crochet in next stitch, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in next stitch. Let's repeat for the last time. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the last stitch, do not crochet the last chain 1, cut the yarn, and let's join. Pull the tail, thread it, insert the needle into the first single crochet from front to back underneath both loops. So here is the slip stitch of the previous round, and here is first single crochet, so underneath both loops. And now insert the needle into the center of the last stitch, it was double crochet, and pull through. In this way we have done an invisible join between first and last stitch. Now weave in all ends. Pull, cut, and proceed with this tail as well. The tiny crochet flower for home decoration is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye.